Welcome back to EcoBytes. Today we will learn about three types of goods: normal, inferior, and giffen goods. Now, to understand these goods better, we first need to know the income effect. Income effect shows how a change in income affects the demand for goods. Normal goods are those which are demanded more when the income of the people increases, and are demanded less when income falls. This diagram shows the income effect for normal goods. On x-axis, we have demand, and on y-axis we have income. At income level I, demand is D. When the income increases from I to I dash, demand also increases from D to D dash. So, in the case of normal goods, income and demand move in same direction. So now, let's look at some simple examples of normal goods. Imagine you get a salary hike. What's the first thing you do? Maybe buy more clothes or go shopping. And with even higher income, you might upgrade to a better phone, like an iPhone. That's how normal goods work. When income rises, we demand more of them. Now, let's move to inferior goods. In economics, the term inferior goods does not imply that the goods are of low quality. Inferior goods are those goods whose demand decreases when income increases. Take a look at this diagram. Here we have income on y-axis and demand is on x-axis. At income level I, the demand is D. When the income increases from I to I dash, the demand falls from D to D dash. This shows the nature of inferior goods. As income rises, people reduce their consumption of these goods and switch to better alternatives. Suppose a person usually travels by auto because it is cheaper, but as their income increases, they prefer taking taxis or cabs for more comfort. So as the income rises, the demand for autos falls, which is the behavior of inferior goods. Now let's understand the price effect for both normal and inferior goods. For normal goods, when price increases, demand decreases and vice versa. For inferior goods too, when price goes up, their demand falls, and when price falls, their demand rises. Therefore, both normal and inferior goods follow the same price effect. I hope the concept of normal and inferior goods is clear now. In the next video, we will learn about giffen goods. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to EcoBytes and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.